Good morning, student. Today we are going to solve some problems of polynomial chapter. In my last video, you have seen that is what actually called the polynomials and how could we understand that is this term that was actually the expression, constant term, variables, etc. Now in this exercise, you will see this is actually how to solve the problems having that concept of the polynomial very clearly. Now see number one, expressions are polynomials, then you could understand what is actually the polynomial. If the expressions are there, it may not be also polynomial, it may be polynomial. So if it is required, the condition is for any expression to be a polynomial, you know, that is variable, power of variable, that is degree of variable, power of variable must be positive integer. You could recall that one. In my last video I have just told you that is power of variable in each term must be positive integer. See here this expression, here x cube, x square, x and 7. So all that is the power of the variables terms are positive integers. So this is a polynomial. Second one is also see y cube minus root 3y. Power is 1 here and 3 here. Positive integer. Polynomial. Here is also t square minus 2 by 5 t. This is power, variable is t here. Then here power is positive integer. This is also polynomial. Now look at here 5 root z minus 6. Here variable is z and whose power is square root, means its power is half. That is, this is not a polynomial because this power is fraction. This is not the integer. This one x minus 1 by x, it can be written as x minus x to the power minus 1, which power is negative. So it is not a polynomial. Not a polynomial. Not a polynomial. Next is number 6. X to the power 108 minus 1. It will be a polynomial, yes, because its power is positive integer. Number 7c, cube root of x minus 27. It is actually x to the power 1 by 3, which is actually power is fraction. Power of variable is fraction, so it is not a polynomial. Minus 3 by 5, it is a constant polynomial. It is a constant polynomial. We know, you know, that is all the constant numbers are also just treated as a polynomial, which is called the constant polynomial. Number 9, 1 by root 2 x square minus root 2x plus 2. It must be because variable power is here 2, this is 1. So all the terms are actually having the variable power of the variable, it is positive integer. So this is a polynomial. This one also cube root 2 y square minus 8. Here variable is y square, so his power is plus positive integer 2. So this is a polynomial. In this way you can find out any expression where any term of this expression having the that is the variable power must be positive integer, then only the expression will be a polynomial. Next one, write the degree of the polynomials. Suppose now you just could find out what are the polynomials. Then is coming what is actually the characteristics of the polynomials. Then what is the degree? You know that is the degree is actually the, in any expression, the maximum power of the variable will be its degree. Here this is root 2x minus root 3. Here variable is here, this term is with the variable. Its power is 1, so its degree is 1. This expression polynomial. Here this is x to the power 9 minus x to the power 7 plus x to the power 10. Maximum is 10, so its degree is 10. And there it is also 5 minus 2 root x cube. This is maximum power is of the variable is 3, so this is where degree is 3. And 9 is only, we can write 9 into x to the power 0, no, x to the 0 equal to, x to the power 0 equal to 1. So 9 into 1 you can also express like this. So here the variable power is 0, so this is actually degree is 0. Number 3, write the coefficient of x square in this expression. So what does it mean, coefficient of x square? Means any term having x square, with that term except x square, what is actually with it, that will be its coefficient. Suppose this is minus 9x square within this expression, just suppress this one or hide this x square one. What is remaining? That will be its, that is the coefficient of x square. So hide that one, x square. In this way, coefficient of x in this expression, x is here, hide x, what is remaining within this term? This is plus 3 by 4. Like this, coefficient of x square in 2px square plus 4. Once again, you just hide this x square. What is remain? So here this is 2p is remaining. So this is actually the coefficient. X cube here, this is the term x cube. Hide this one. What is remaining? See, this is actually this with x cube. So coefficient will be minus root 3x. Here x is x. See, here coefficient of x is asked for, where the expression is 3x square minus 9. There is no any term over here for x. That is, you can write it like this. See, x square minus 0 into x minus 9. You can just write it down like this, or plus if it is. So here you can understand that is coefficient of x equal to 0. So it is actually coming 0. Next one, the coefficient of y in this expression. See, y is within this term. Just hide this y over here. What is remain? So plus 2x square, and this is actually the coefficient. In this way, you can just take out any coefficient from any expression of that very coefficient of that. Now, classify the polynomials. What does it mean? As per the degree, you can also just classify those polynomials. What is that? See, suppose in this expression or in this polynomial, all these are polynomials must be, because we are classifying the polynomials. So in this polynomial, what type of polynomial this one? See here, that is the degree or the power of the variable, maximum power of the variable is 2. So 2 is actually called quadratic polynomial. When the maximum power of any polynomial is 2, that is called the quadratic polynomial. If it is 3, then it is called cubic polynomial. If it is 1, and this is called actually linear polynomial. And suppose if I am asked for this type of polynomial, then you have to just derive this from this. First you have to just try to just isolate all these things from this, that is the denominator should be also 1. Then just make it like this and try to find out that one. That is x to the power 5 minus 3x to the power 4 plus x cube by x cube is given. So you have to find out the degree, that is classify the polynomials. What is that? See, I am just taking x cube common from the numerator. It has come x cube is common, then x square minus 3x plus 1. So this is x cube cut it off, remaining this one, and this power is maximum is 2. So this is a quadratic polynomial. Here see 10y, its power is 1. This is linear, and in this expression or in this polynomial, this is maximum power is 4, and that is called biquadratic. Bi means 2, quadratic means another 2. This is actually coming 4. So this is actually called biquadratic polynomial. So these are actually the classification of the polynomials. You can understand the name where from it is has come. So quadratic means 2, cubic means 3, linear means 1. Just keep it like this in your mind. 4 is actually biquadratic. So any power of the, that is the variable, it is coming 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also classify accordingly with its name. Thank you very much.